When a person grows old, even the simplest tasks in life can become difficult. The feet that once never grew tired now have to stop and rest after walking only a short distance.
This wheelchair was once someone's entire world, carrying them through life's precious moments, joys and struggles. He didn't just repair this wheelchair. He restored someone's comfort, someone's freedom, and someone's smile. Once forgotten in a dark corner, this wheelchair is finally moving toward its true purpose once again. This was no longer just a repair. It was a new beginning. Blending cherished memories with modern technology, a new journey had just begun.
My son, I thought the best days of my life were behind me. You didn't just give me a wheelchair. You gave me back my freedom, my independence.
Fresh apples today.
They look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you very much.
If you can make someone's burden in life even a little lighter, do it without hesitation, because your small act of kindness might become someone's reason to live again.